Hello guys. Today we'll continue with designing the agency. Let me check the live stream. Yeah bro, can you tell me if the music is okay?
Yep,
I mean,
one moment, let me
it's
check.
not too loud, you know.
Yeah, let me check.
So this is what I did at the moment. I think it's pretty good, but we should continue designing the rest of the sections, which are not ready yet, of course. You can observe the difference. I'll show you in a couple of seconds. Yeah, you can observe this language between all the sections. So basically, you can see that this section already has another color, which is not very good because I want to keep it as minimalistic as possible.
I'm sorry, bro, I came back, I choked.
Are you okay?
I choked on because I have my allergy.
Are you okay?
And I. Yes, but I choked because I don't have air because of my allergy. But the music is okay.
Letter has another color.
Okay.
Which is
Maybe you can do it a little higher.
A little higher.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Just a little, yeah. Maybe from my perspective. Let me close. Wait. Let me check it one more time.
Okay, but I made it louder now. So, okay, let's not waste time and let's continue. So at the moment,
No, put it back how it was. It's too loud. Did you hear me?
yes, I put it. You can check again and tell me if it's okay.
Okay.
So, I like this section, but you see the difference, the tone difference between the sections. Let me tell him actually. And the information it's outdated. Also, I mean the packages that
Yeah, it's good.
you see right now at the moment. Okay. So I need you to make this section. To improve the design of this section, to find the right tone, the right color, so basically it will match my website theme. Do it professionally, stunning, and also I want something crazy. Yeah, you see, sometimes you got to use this kind of words because it doesn't really create a very professional work, you know, result with just some words, a few words, you know. It's very tiring when you don't have a limit, you know, because I'm on the Pro 10 and yeah, most of the tokens just fly away, you know, very fast. And I'm using Opus 5 basically. I did in fact use Fable 5 a while ago when it first came. You know, there was a period where they gave this model for free. I mean, I guess $100 in tokens. I mean credits, not tokens. And yeah, I used those credits in order to build with Fable 5. But according to the leaderboard, Opus, it's kind of the same and even a bit better than Fable at some topics. And yeah. So he's still building. I think I should check the deployment 1 second. So facts first, I read the code and the design contract before touching anything. What's actually in this repo? Oh. Crazy Inside contract recommended. So it means 1 second. What was the difference? Crazy Inside the contract. I don't really understand what does it mean. I'll go with the first option. I'm very glad that I finally finished with the database. We had a serious problem and it was about e-grease consumption. So which simple structural move carries this section? No, I think the spotlight panel is the greatest option at the moment. Yeah, also we should change the information as well because it's outdated. I mean, it is generated, you know, by Claude, but overall, I like the design till this section because at the moment we're redesigning the pricing. How much of this section is here? Okay, section head accent. Let's emphasize the most popular option will be C and color. Okay. Yo, bro, are you here?
Yes, I am.
What are you doing at the moment?
Realizing I could have choked myself to death because I couldn't breathe. But I am doing the maintenance page. Continue with the things that I needed to do.
You're checking?
Yep. I'm doing the maintenance page, everything. What I needed to do. Oh my god, bro. Why?
I'm just asking. It's kind of boring to wait for Claude to finish the work, you know.
Oh. Yeah. Why don't you put something on the second monitor? Wait a bit, I need to snap.
What do you
Blow in my nose. Wait. I need to sneeze. Yeah, wait a bit.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah, I'm back.
approaching the end. Okay.
I need to check these pages. I don't have quite a lot left, but anyways. I will finish
What do
today
you
the
mean?
maintenance, the branch.
Or what do you mean?
No, with the work. Like, what I need to do in order for us to finish. After that, I can go on with the AI project that I want to do. So there are a lot of tabs here that will be embedded in the AI project that I will do. But that's after we finish. I finish with
Yeah,
the
so
our tab.
let me check one thing.
Oh my god, bro. Whew.
I think check one thing wait a second. So is almost done. Let me refresh the page actually. Let me check for the deployment. Yeah, he didn't deploy it yet. How aggressive is the deletion pass. Strip it all, dead code only, collapse on fire, redesign only. I'm not sure what he is building, to be honest, but we'll see.
Oh my god, bro.
Actually, I wanted to integrate some APIs features on the renting project. I mean, there are a lot of providers.
The hell
for
is a
example,
recall?
What?
Down.
What?
What is a recall and what is a downtime? I don't know, and I will tell him to explain. Because I'm not really sure.
Anyways, I was telling you about the integrations. There are a lot of providers, for example, some people that are offering different kind of services. You know, there is telematics, a thing where basically you can track your car, or you can lock it from your mobile device. Basically, by connecting an API, you can make the connection with their backend. So basically, inside our rental system, you can actually manage your car, which is on that website, on the other website, you know. Yeah, different kind of things that I skipped. Let me check. I'm not sure what is he building, to be honest. This looks insane, to be honest. 9 questions for pricing section only. And yeah, to be honest, I don't really like the first result. Yeah. In rarely cases they can do something, I don't know, that could fit my expectations. From the first try, but most of the time I should still give him some knowledge, some prompts in order to improve the design. So basically the output will be what I really desire. 3 things I need: a yes or no. Comes fully dead once price sync drops it, nothing else. Delete the file or leave it. Delete. So for the second option, Add a spotlight, entry to context. A tier that breaks its panel. Okay, add it if it's necessary. ADR 0003. It passes your free tests. We rejected the free fuel letter and the pricing expectation wrote explicitly. Do everything to be safe and also professional. It's your choice. Yeah, I'm not into it. I don't really understand what is he talking about. What is this code? What is this number? I don't like that it takes a while. It didn't even push, a version, so I can see a result, a possible result. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. So let me check. He's still doing something.
I like making my podcast. I don't like making short clips of my podcast.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words.
Let me check the deployment. Recalculating. Oh my god.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Feature tier says landing pages $4.99. Yeah, but this information is fake. I mean, this is just a prototype at the moment. It's not my priority because the website is not live yet. I mean, it is in development, so nobody can actually access it. Okay, he's editing, which is nice. Let me think about the next section. So basically in this section you can see the portfolio, but I got another section, our own products. Yeah, I should think about it. Okay, I think I'll add some more products which will be in beta. Okay, so this section will be for our own products, but this one for the portfolio. Okay, I really like this idea of hovering, you know, but I still want something more unique. Let me see, did he finish? No, he didn't yet. Website. Also, I do like the idea of this connection between countries, you know, also something unique. Some sections are imported from a website. Most of these things are for free, but this is just an inspiration for me. I'm importing them as a reference, let's say. Because when you do have a reference, it's easier for AI to understand your point, or to have an example at least. What is he doing? Oh, it looks nice. But this is on localhost. He didn't deploy it on the live project yet. Okay. I want to move it, but I can't. I don't want to disturb his work, you know. Build passes. Let me verify it visually rather than assume. Also, this extension is nice actually. I mean, for Claude. So it can basically run in your live website. What is he doing? Let me check the bottom half. The CTAs and the panel's lower break. Okay, he's calling again. Let me check the deployment. Yeah, he didn't deploy it yet on the live website, but it's not a problem. So look at before and after. I mean, there is a bit of difference. Yeah, but this one is it's much better for our theme, for our website. But I don't like when I hover. I see this hard corner. He's still editing. Yeah, let's wait. I can see the changes live in my local host, which is great. You see he's editing the code. It's improving it. I think I should add also an RGB line. You can observe I added one already on the navigation menu. Which is it's nice according to my point of view. I mean it is soft, smooth also. Oh god, he's testing for mobile version, I guess. You see, and also it is not confusing because if you do add a lot of things, elements, basically you are overloading the website, which is not good. I mean, even for the user experience. What is he doing? I can't understand. He's checking for mobile version, okay, but let me move it actually. Got it. Yeah, I'm now thinking about adding this RGB line in here or not for the new version that they did in here. I don't really want to overload it. So also this section was made on Opus 4.6, I guess, a while ago, but I really like it. I don't want to change nothing in here, only text, because you can observe that here is RGB, but here are only two different colors, white and blue, but here is RGB. Also two color tone, and yeah, this section we should make some changes in here. Let me check. Okay, he didn't push it yet, but I see that he is done in here. Dev server is still running. Okay. Actually, at the moment I don't need a mobile version, because I will make the optimization for the mobile device at the end, after I will finish the whole design. And yeah, it's overcomplicated at the moment. Pricing. Let me tell him to push it on Vercel. But also I should make an update about the application as well. Pushed to main. Let me check the deployment. It's still loading. Okay, it's ready. Nice, let me refresh it, let me check it. Okay, so here we go. I don't like the hard corners. I mean, it's not smooth. It's not professional. And also, it did remove in fact, but I can't understand why. Because if this is focus plan, basically, must have a page or something like that, but it doesn't have one. Okay, let me tell him about this. First of all, when I hover, okay. When I hover on a plan, I can see the shadow of it, but it is not smooth. I can see the hard corners, and I don't like this feature. Please make everything smooth and professional. Price and features can be customized based on specific issues. What? Okay. Also look at the left and the right plan. Everything is crowded in that section, whilst the middle plan has more space. I mean, you should consider choosing the right proportion. Also, the middle plan must also have some animations or some animations, and also it should flicker somehow. Because it is in the center, and also it requires more attention. So basically the middle plan is every time the one that you want to sell it more, of course. Just called marketing, you know. It doesn't mean that nobody will buy full websites plan. Of course, there should be somebody interested in, of course, not. That is the whole point of having a free plan section. And also, it does look nice. Because imagine you have free plans, and this section looks like basically the left and the right. And I think it is not so professional, but having a most popular or having a plan that you want to emphasize, it's smarter and more professional.
Invincible.
Okay, it looks better, but I still want to see the final result of this section. Also, I think I should add a button that will get you to the top of the page. Because if you scroll a lot, you can't go on the top of the page, to the top of the page, yeah. Only by scrolling, which most of the websites are. Okay. You know what I can do actually? I think Wait, what? Yeah, something broken in here. He should have opened the terminal with the location, with this location, but actually he's opening the location, the terminal with another location. Okay, this is not what I need. No. I wanted to work on more terminals, but yeah, I think I'll just wait to see the final result, because then if we overload the requests, we might end up just receiving poor quality work, you know. I mean, because he's working on one section, and I want him, basically, the AI, to understand what is my real idea and how the whole design on the website should look, because he's generating something very simple at the very start, you know, by giving him a prompt only. Because to create such a design, trust me, you should have some knowledge at least, or have the ability to explain AI what you really want, give reference, and so on. You won't get such a result from first generation. I mean, for the first request, it is possible, in fact, but not every time. Especially if you have an idea in your head. I can check on live server. Yeah, he didn't do it actually. Okay, about the hovering, he did in fact fix it. Yeah, you can see the rounded corners. Also, I can see some blur. I don't know, it's a light, and I hover a white shadow, which is nice actually. We didn't have it here. But the content, it's still crowded. Yeah, just like in here, you can observe, look how much space is from this section till the bottom, and look in this plan, you can observe that everything is crowded, there is no space. You should add some more padding. Yeah, he didn't actually think about the right proportions. I've heard about that GTA will release the third trailer, or at least an extended look, on August 27. I think it will be crazy. So let me check. I haven't not pushed this there. Okay. But it is still crowded. Why? What on earth? When I hover, I see this dark side. I mean, this blur, what is it? Must be around this side, this element, but basically it is extended and I don't like this. Okay, let me explain. Look, the content in the left and the right side is still crowded. Maybe he is not understanding what I mean by using this term, by using this word count. So basically you can observe that there is no space between the bottom and the bottom of the section. Between the bottom, I told bottom, not bottom. Bottom. And the bottom of the section. While the middle plan has a lot of space, which means that you didn't choose the right proportion. I just requested for this improvement. Why didn't you improve it though? Okay, I can also observe the flicker, yeah, which is nice. Also, I don't like this dark extension from the left and the right plan. I mean, it's ugly, let's be serious. In fact, I do like when I hover, I can see an RGB and some blur, you know, which is nice. I mean, wait, which is nice. It's not RGB actually. I can see blur, white blur, which is nice. So please remove that dark extension. Oh god, again he's thinking about extension side. Yeah. So actually, you know what? Let me open some more terminals. Wait a second. Terminal, Claude code. 1 second, guys. So also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you appreciate our work, because this will support us, of course, and will motivate us to continue live streaming and sharing our knowledge, of course. So I added a new terminal. In fact, I can use some things in here. Some skills. Okay. So I want to continue with this, the next section, which is this one. But you see why I don't want to go again with a new terminal, because you already has this knowledge in here. Because in this new terminal, basically he needs to open again that file, do a lot of research, understand the whole language design on the website. That's why I don't really want to use more terminals at the moment. Of course, there are times when I do use 5, 6 terminals at the same moment, but it's a complete different scenery basically. I'm using for designing something fast, something that I don't know, it's not so important, especially when I focus more on backend. Let me see what he did. Okay, now it's much better. It's much better now. Yeah, you see, it's much more better. Take a look. Don't you agree? Let's be serious. There is enough padding. Also, when I hover, there is some white blur, which is nice. I mean, that extended section disappeared. It was removed, which is nice. Also, the focus plan flickers. Yeah. Which is nice. Take a look at that. I can't move. He didn't push it yet. Yeah, he didn't. But it's not a problem. So
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Mac Mini M5. I've heard that it will be a powerful machine, but also you'll be able to run locally all kind of AIs, but I think it's a myth, it's not real. I got the Mac Mini with M4 cheap and I was barely able to run Olama. You can see that I got Olama in here, but yeah, it is not so powerful. I got a 16 gigabytes of RAM version, which is enough for me. I mean, in vibe coding, live streaming, it's enough. Yeah, we'll see what the future innovations will bring. So I think now we take a close look. Yeah, it's much better now. Okay, let me check if he deployed it. No, he didn't yet. Okay, let's start now. If you are ready, please deploy it. Okay, now we'll move on to the next section. You I really like this section. Also, it took me a while to explain what my idea was. Actually, this section was different. I mean, it also was a reference from a website that I imported. But you see what references can transform things into. Yeah, just by using a reference, I was able to create such a crazy result, and it is completely different. I just gave him the idea by using that reference, so he could understand. Because by using a prompt, trust me, it will be very hard, not impossible, but very hard for him to understand what you are really trying to get, to obtain. But yeah. What is he doing? Isn't he ready yet? I'm adding the docs first so they don't contradict the code then pushing, okay? So, I'm not sure if he is done, but he didn't push. Okay. Yeah, it's ready. Guys, let me check it. Yeah, so this is how it looks live. I'd say it's pretty good. I'm not sure if I got the old version open. No, I don't actually. I just wanted to make a comparison so you could see, but unfortunately I don't have it. I thought that maybe on the other browser I'll have it opened, but I don't. Okay, it's not a problem because now it looks much closer to my website theme, and this is the entire thing that I want to do, to adapt the design to the website theme. Okay, now let's move on this section. I don't really have much ideas about this section. One thing is that I do like the idea of hovering on this folder, but I want something unique, because yeah, this is just a reference. To see this section, I need you now also to adapt it to my website theme. But I forgot to use one skill. Also, why did it paste in here? I forgot to load a skill. But why is he removing it? Okay, nice. So I need you now. What? So basically, you'll make the connection with the website theme. Also, make it look stunning, professional, crazy. And unique at the same time, because this is just a reference. I imported this section from another website, and I need now you to remake the whole section. But I do like the idea of this reference. In fact, by hovering, and also all of your projects will be visible, and you'll be able to press on them, and yeah, then a portal will open. Just make everything unique and professional, and also crazy. And this is my keyword when I'm designing. I try different methods by using different words, and yeah, when you're using such words, I mean something crazy, professional, stunning. He's really trying to get out of his comfort zone, even though he's not a human. He does not have, in fact, any feelings and so on. But by using the right words, you can make it happen. I mean, he could actually generate something great. Really hot. 22 degrees outside. But it's very hot, and I can't understand why. 22 degrees, it's not that much. Oh god. Let me change the music. So wait, what is he doing? Wait, what? But I don't really understand. Wait a second. Project data. What goes inside the pop-ups? The 16 invented projects. Real projects only. Okay, at the moment I need a reference, of course. So the 16. You say, do you like the reference idea? How far does the remake go? Folders rebuilt on theme, dance mosaic, case study rail. Okay, let me rebuild the folders. But I don't want to copy this idea of using the folders actually. Oh God. Mm, yeah, so this is actually how a design is made, and also how a website is built, and so on. So, guys, thank you for watching and supporting us. We will continue tomorrow. Yeah, I'll try to finish this section, and maybe this section as well. I'll see, but yeah, I'm not staying much at my PC. So basically, yeah, I will close the live stream. Again, thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, and yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. See ya.